Well, hi guys. As you can see, the wind is very fast today. I think it is between 26 to 32, 34. It's very fast. So as you can see, it's coming from my, well, what do you call, 3 o'clock. So this is how I measure the wind from my house. So as you can see that. Okay, fine. Thank you. Okay guys, so today another day. The wind's coming and going every time. Like the wind is between 15 to 20 miles per hour. If you see the gusts coming and going, you can have an idea it's coming from 3 o'clock, like between 2 and 4 o'clock. Okay, the gusts have been coming in. So now I will be shooting 25 caliber 34 grains MK2 pellets today at 87 yards. Well, my barrel needs a bit of cleaning. I've done some shooting before just to see what's going on. Okay, so hold on. I still haven't gotten my tripod yet, which I'm waiting for. So, okay, the sighted target, number 3, line number 3, sighted target. Okay, so let's go for that and make a group of 15 plus shots. Oops, sorry. My cam keeps moving, it's not still. Let me fix it up and start shooting. With a magazine, 25 caliber 34 grain FX Impact M3 700 mm superior liner. Okay, so let's play. So like you've seen the wind, okay, so okay, the bull is 10 mm and the outer circle is 1 inch. So let's start and you'll get an idea in this wind. Okay, the wind has increased again by 2 or 3 miles. Okay, but whatever, in this wind I just want to see how these pellets perform, the 25 caliber JSB 34 grain MK2 pellets. So okay, let's play. 930. Left, because the wind is pushing it. I haven't zeroed it.
937. 930.
The wind is from 3 o'clock coming in.
937. 900.
Keep going.
42. 900.
See? But these are good pellets for high wind conditions, as you can see.
35. 942.
Okay, this is part 1. Let's keep going.
937. 900.
So let's keep going. 15 plus shot groups.
939. 928. 937.
So, as you see the group, okay, you can figure it out because the outer edge is 1 inch. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed. So this was with a magazine and that's the way I shoot. Well, I have 2 flyers. It's a windy day and like you have seen the wind coming in from 3 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 4 o'clock, and the wind's quite fast today. Thank you, but this pellet is very good for high wind conditions, like for me. Okay, thank you. Hope you enjoyed. Take care. And now I'm going to try another group. Okay, that's going to be my part 2, same day. Let's see if I can repeat these groups. Thank you.